I want us to look at the chemical reactions that occur in a car's catalytic converter. I want us to get to know why people usually steal these converters and why it is very dangerous for you to drive a car that does not have a catalytic converter. Basically, the role of a catalytic converter on a car is to purify exhaust gases from the engine to less harmful substances released to the environment. So every time your car burns fuel, there are dangerous gases and substances produced. You can see from this side the air coming from the exhaust gases of the engine. We have hydrocarbons, and these are basically unburned particles of fuel. We have oxides of nitrogen, and these are basically cause acidic rain. We have carbon monoxide, which is a very poisonous gas. So these substances produced cannot go to the environment directly because they'll cause harm. So we need a catalytic converter to purify them and produce less harmful substances, you know, oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Okay, so how does the catalytic converter do it? The catalytic converter does it using what we call a redox reaction, reduction and oxidation. So from these compounds, oxides of nitrogen are reduced and hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide are oxidized to give less harmful substances. So in a reduction reaction, there's a catalyst that helps us to do this reduction, and the catalyst used on the catalytic converter is called rhodium. And these catalysts are usually put on these honeycomb structures. If you ever open the catalytic converter, you can see these structures to help in the speeding up of these processes. So we have nitrogen. It's a nitrogen monoxide. It is reduced to nitrogen and oxygen. So this is less harmful. Then the catalytic converter also does what we call oxidation, and during oxidation we usually use palladium or platinum as the catalysts. So during oxidation, carbon monoxide in presence of oxygen is broken down to carbon dioxide. Okay, then hydrocarbons in presence of oxygen are broken down to water and carbon dioxide. So the products formed after the reactions are not dangerous to the environment and to us as humans. So the reason why people are still catalytic converters is because of the catalysts are used during these reactions. For example, rhodium, which is a reducing catalyst, is very expensive and sometimes more expensive than gold on a black market. So people usually steal these catalytic converters to extract these catalysts to go and sell them for thousands of dollars.